going to cover is पाक-ईरान रिलेशंस। पाकिस्तान के साथ ईरान की जो थी फ्रेंडली रिलेशंस जो थी वो शुरू ही पाकिस्तान के बनने के साथ ही शुरू हो गई। ईरान एक डिक्लेयर्ड शिया स्टेट है और हम डिक्लेयर्ड सुन्नी स्टेट हैं और दोनों के दरमियान में बहुत अच्छे रिलेशंस पाकिस्तान के बनने के फ़ौरन बाद ही शुरू हो गए। फ्रेंडली रिलेशंस जो थे ये 1949 में पाकिस्तानी जो हेड ऑफ़ द स्टेट थे लियाकत अली ख़ान, उनकी विज़िट हुई 1949 में ईरान में। 1950 मार्च में पाकिस्तान में ईरानियन डेलीगेशन ने विज़िट की। 1950 में फ्रेंडली एग्रीमेंट्स की शुरुआत हो गई, बिगिनिंग हो गई। एज़ यू ऑल नो दैट पाकिस्तान एंड ऑल दीज कंट्रीज ऑफ दिस रीजन वर बाउंड टू जॉइन ईदर ब्लॉक ऑफ रशिया और अमेरिका। दैट वॉज द टाइम पीरियड ऑफ द कोल्ड वॉर। इन दिस टाइम पीरियड पाकिस्तान was made to sign with the help of other countries like Pakistan, Turkey, Iran, Iraq in 1955, and the pact was called Baghdad Treaty. Afterwards, in 1958, Iraq moved out of it and it was called SEATO. And this was the treaty was signed that in case a communist country attacks, all these countries will join and retaliate to the attack. In next important pact was 1956, I think so, CENTO, and it was the membership was Pak, Turkey, Britain, and other countries had joined in the SEATO, and in the CENTO was also ended once Iran went into revolution. There were other economic deals with the inter-regional countries, with Iran and Pakistan. It is RCD. These three countries, Pakistan, Iran and Turkey, decided that they will deal with each other in the fields of trade, commerce, business, education, cultural development, and it was started in 12th of the 7th month of 1964. Date was 12th, but it was ended in 1980 because of the revolution inside Iran. Diplomatic relations of Pakistan and the role of Iran in it. Iran played a very positive role in Pak-Afghan war. Once Pakistan took the side of Malaysia, Iran sided with Malaysia also. But in 1965, Malaysia was on India's side. At that time, Iran kept quiet and did not take side of Malaysia. ECO. In 1985, RCD was again started with the name ECO, Economic Cooperation Organization. Pakistan and Iran share the similar views on the different topics of the world, foreign policy and economy. We have the same point of view on Palestine, Bosnia, Afghanistan and Kashmir issue. Inside Iran, once there was British interference, Pakistan took the side of Iran and said that the British domination should be over and the Iranian oil is the property of Iranian people. In 1951 March, there were sanctions on Iran and Pakistan strongly rejected and regretted them. Iran has been taking side of Pakistan practically in Pak-India wars, Kashmir issue. Iran was one of the early countries that supported Pakistan in the nuclear blast test in 28 May 1998. At the same time, the foreign minister of Iran also visited Pakistan to greet Pakistan. We have got a history of common cultural development. In 1965, we exchanged programs on cultural activity. Cultural centers were made. Joint Economic Commission was made on February 1973, and Iran has assisted us to make Bolan Medical College, Quetta, Engineering College, Khuzdar. When there were a lot of muhajirs inside Pakistan, Iran helped to rehabilitate the muhajirs. Defense of Pakistan. There was an event once in 1971. Pakistan and Iran both had a deal of aeroplane buying from England. Pakistan asked Iran to delay its deal so that Pakistan can buy first and then afterwards Iran can have the deal, and Iran immediately fulfilled our demand. Iran has been doing a lot of strict price control for the sake of Pakistan and selling Pakistan oil at a very low price. In the disasters of 1976 and 79 earthquakes, we have been helping each other